Alright guys, welcome to Rich Ben Made It. On today's tutorials, we are going to look at how to create a text or a video through text effect. Isn't this an amazing? So we are going to look at how to achieve this results using OBS. So whether you are a live streamer, you are a podcaster, whether you create great content, having this in your content will make your audience return to your channel over and over again. So without wasting my time, let's jump into it. So first of all, you will select the scene in which you want to achieve that particular resource. So after you select your scene, you come to the source, you head up to the plus button, you click on it, and also select color source. All right, color source. So I'm going to name mine black because we are going to use a black background for this. Click on OK. You come to the select color. All right, so you can choose from these boxes or you can also select from this part. So I'm going to choose black. All right, I'll click on OK. Click on OK again. So we have created our black background. So let's move on to the next step, which is adding the text. All right, so you click on the plus button, click on text. So I'm going to name mine text. All right, click on OK. So here I'm going to type whatever I want to use to achieve this particular resource. All right, so I'm going to use awesome. Right, so here you are going to select the font, your font size, and do one or two things. So I'm going to choose or select one of my favorite font called the Monsterrat font. So if you need this font, feel free to comment font and I will send it direct to you. All right, so there's the Monsterrat font. So I'm going to use black. Okay, so you can see the font is also awesome indeed, right? So I'm going to adjust my text using my cursor. All right, so maybe this okay for me. So I want my text to be in the middle. You can use the Control plus D or right click or left click on the text, come to transform. Under the pop down menu, you select center to screen. All right, so you can see that our text is now in the middle of the screen. How are you going to know that it is indeed at the middle of the screen? You can check the figures here. We have 327 pixel at the bottom, the same size 327 pixel at the top. We have from the left side 20 px and at the right hand side 20 px. All right, so let's move on to our next step, which is adding our background. Okay, our background video. So you come to the plus button under the source, click on it again, come to media source. Let me name it background. Okay, don't mind me, don't mind what I've typed. Okay, so you click on OK, you loop it, you go to where your backgrounds are, you know where they are. So you can test one or two or three videos to see the one that will best fit your video or makes you achieve that particular results you want to achieve. So I'm going to use this video. I'll click on open, click on OK, right? So this is the video I want to use or show through the text. So you can right click here, come to transform and come to full screen, or click on Ctrl plus F as shown on your screen. So there's the background I want to show through the text. So there's where the magic comes in. So you right click again, you come to blending mode. Please take note, we have blending method and blending mode. We are using the blending mode. Okay, so after selecting the blending mode, we come to the pop down menu and select multiply. So with the count of 4 to 1, let's click on it. So 4, 3, 2, 1. Shara! This is the magic we have created right now. Isn't this indeed awesome? Imagine having this in your production, having this in your content, having this in your podcast, having this in your live stream. Your audience will visit your channel over and over again because you are creating an outstanding and a very nice content or live stream. So you can also adjust the video that you are showing through the text by dragging it whether up, down, sideways, right? So you can see I'm adjusting it. You can see the leaves are now coming upwards and the small bubbles are also passing through. If I want it down also, I can make it. So anyhow you want it, you know how you want your production to be. All right. So let me know at the comment section if you found this video helpful. Kindly subscribe to my channel and also turn the notification bell on so that whenever I upload a video, you get the chance to watch it and also get great content like this. If you need any of my background videos, also feel free to comment backgrounds and I will send it direct to your DM. Okay, let's meet in our next video, and before that, kindly let me know the type of video you want me to work on or bring to your doorstep in our next video so that I'll work on it and also bring it to your doorstep.